Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see blocked people on Snapchat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. Then you simply need to scroll down and under account actions you simply need to click on blocked, and here you can see all your blocked people, and if you want to unblock anyone you simply need to click on this cross icon and click on yes. So this is a simple process by which you can see blocked people on Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.